Are you struggling to create professional diagrams, flowcharts, or mind maps? What if I told you there's a tool that makes it effortless, even for beginners? Meet Edraw AI. Today, I'll show you how this powerful tool can transform your workflow, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to create stunning diagrams in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. Edraw AI is an AI-powered visual software that offers different diagramming AI features and abundant template materials for creating professional charts and graphics. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and you'll be on this page. Here you will find various options to create mind maps, flowcharts, whiteboards, brainstorming diagrams, Kanban frameworks, graphs and charts, timelines, floor plans, and many others. You can even create AI slides to make professional presentations. This amazing platform is equipped with a huge number of rich templates. There are over 700 templates with more than 26,000 symbols. Another very important feature of this tool is that you can collaborate with your teams in real time, and you don't even need to install it on your device. Everything is possible on your browser. So, let's start our journey with Edraw AI. First of all, let's create a mind map using Edraw AI. In the Mind Map tab, you will find a vast number of templates to start with. You can simply select one of them and then customize it according to your needs. However, here you will find an option to create a mind map from a text prompt. I will go with the AI Mind Map Generator. After selecting the AI Mind Map tool, we have to enter our text prompt or idea in this box. For example, I am typing, "Developing visual concepts for a new packaging idea." Next, you will find some prompt suggestions. Okay, after entering the prompt, hit the Start button. And here it is. You can see Edraw AI starting to create the mind map, and now it's ready. Honestly, this is a perfect mind map. The data is factually correct. Here you can see the topics in order, followed by the necessary subtopics. Most importantly, they are factually correct. Okay, this is actually a basic mind map. Now you can customize the mind map to make it perfect. Let's customize the design. Go to the right side customization panel. Here, first of all, you will find the layout option under the Canvas tab. To customize the layout, click here. You will find a bunch of options. You can select any one of them. For example, this is a circle layout. However, I will go with this one this time. Okay, next we have themes. You can choose different themes here. If you move the cursor over any theme, you can see the preview. So, preview some of them and select the best one. After that, you can change the rainbow and theme color from here. It will make your mind map visually appealing. Next, to add a hand drawing effect on the mind map, use the hand drawn effect from here. In the end, you can change the background. Here, you will find a bunch of options in the color, texture, and image sections. Play with them, and then choose the perfect one. Okay, now come to the Style tab. Here, you can customize the text and the boxes. Select the text section you want to customize. Once you select the text, you will find options to change the text font and size. After that, in the Topics section, you can change the box types of the selected blocks. Next, you can add the fill color of the box. After that, you can change the border color and size. In the end, you can customize the branch style, color, and sizes. In this method, customize all the text blocks if needed. After customization, my mind map looks like this. It's really wonderful. So, you don't need to worry about the design and looks. Okay, our next option is Mark. Here, you will find various mark elements. For example, this is the priority element. You can add them to the topic or subtopic and act according to them later. After that, imagine you want to add a progress bar to the topics. Just select the topic and then choose the progress bar from here. It will help you track your work progress. This is amazing. Here, you will find all kinds of mark elements. Alright, the next option is clip art. Here, you will find a vast library of clip arts. You can drag and drop them onto the canvas if needed. I am skipping this time. Okay, here. Every text block is editable. You can edit the text from every block. But the interesting part is, you can use the AI to fine-tune the mind map. If you click on the Edraw AI, you will find several options. For example, I want to expand the mind map, so I am selecting Smart Expansion. And here it is. you can see the mind map has been expanded, and the data is really crucial. In this method, you can create an annotation on this block, and here the comment has been added. Okay, here you can see the outline of the map. It allows users to view and structure their mind maps in a linear, text-based format. This enables you to concentrate on the overall organization and progress of your content, making it easier to organize complex information in a structured manner. And in the end, here you will find the slides view. With this feature, you can actually convert your mind map into a PowerPoint presentation slide. You can create new slides with AI too. I will talk about this feature later. Okay, now let's export the mind map to our device. Simply click on the Export button. Now we have to select the output format. You can export the mind map as an image, PDF, Word, Excel, even in HTML, SVG, and other files. I am going with image. Next, set all other settings and then hit the Export button from here. And here it is. The file has been downloaded. Look at the quality. Although I downloaded it as an image, the quality is lossless. So, now you can create any kind of mind map using Edraw AI. Alright, now let's create a flowchart using Edraw AI. To do so, go to the Process tab and then select the AI Flowchart option. After arriving on this page, we have to enter the prompt or topic in this box. I am entering a ready-made prompt about a workflow for resolving customer issues. Provide as much data as possible. Once done, hit the Send button or Start button, and you can see the AI generating a flowchart. And here it is. The flowchart is ready. Now to customize the flowchart, click on the Edit in Canvas button from here. This is the editor's canvas. Now on the right side, you can change the themes. Try some of them and then choose one. After selecting the theme, customize the flowchart blocks. You can customize the block size and position. Take proper time to adjust the size and position of every block so that it looks visually appealing. Now, if you want to add extra elements, go to the left side. Here, you will find various elements like shapes, pictures, graphs, new text, icons, and many more. So you can add any elements to your flowchart. Once you are done, hit the Export button to save the flowchart to your device. So now, within a few seconds, you can create amazing flowcharts with Edraw AI. Alright, now let's create a diagram with the help of AI. The AI diagram feature is located in the Research and Analyzer tab. You can create any kind of diagram, including pie charts, bar charts, line charts, scatter plots, and even box plots. You can select any of them and then create a particular diagram. If you select AI selection, the AI will create the diagram according to your prompt. Okay, now we have to enter the prompt in this box. After entering the prompt, hit the Start button, and you see, the AI is generating a diagram. This time, it generates a pie chart diagram. According to my prompt, it's a perfect diagram. After creating the diagram, you can edit it on the canvas. Once you are on the canvas, you can change the theme and other elements of the diagram. Alright, now let's move forward to the next step or feature. Next, we have the AI Slide Generator. With this feature, you can create stunning and factually correct presentations on any topic. You just have to enter the topic in this prompt box. After entering the idea, hit the Start button. The AI will create the slide outline and data. Once the process is completed, click here to select a template. You will find a bunch of options. Just select one of them and then click on the Start button. Now it will create the full presentation. It will take some time, so let's fast forward through this part. And here it is. The presentation is ready. And honestly speaking, the result is amazing. I like it. Okay, the next feature is AI File Analysis. With this feature, you can analyze any kind of file and data. After arriving on this page, click here and then upload the file. After uploading the file, click on the Start button. Now the AI will analyze the file and provide key information about the file content. I uploaded the flowchart I created earlier, and here you can see the result. It provides brief information about the flowchart. Now you can create a mind map from here in just a single click. Okay, next, we have the AI Drawing feature. With this feature, you can generate any kind of image. First, you have to select a model between universal, comic, and image to image. After that, enter the text prompt in this box. Next, select the aspect ratio and image quality. After that, you have to select one style from here. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. And here it is. Edraw generates an amazing image. Now you can download the image and use it in any of your designs. In this method, you can create a comic-style image with the comic model. And with the image-to-image model, you can create a similar kind of image. Alright, after the AI drawing, you will find the AI chat feature. With this tool, you can create any kind of text-based result. Once you are on this page, you just need to enter what you need in this prompt box, and the AI will generate the content. For example, this is a brainstorming idea I generated just now. It's like ChatGPT inside Edraw AI. Okay, here you will find some templates that make your task easier. For example, I am selecting the article generator. Now we have to enter the topic in this box and then hit the Enter button. And here it is. The AI is writing the article for us. That's amazing. Okay, our next tool is AI image editing. Here, you will find some image editing tools like background remover, object remover, upscale, enhance, compress, and watermark remover. We talked about all these features earlier, so I am skipping this time. Now, imagine you want to extract information from any image. You have to use the OCR feature. After arriving on this page, click here and then upload the image. Once the image is uploaded, click here, and you can see the text data has been extracted here. Now you can refine the data with the AI copywriting tool of AI Chat. This is not the end. You can do so much more with Edraw AI. It's a complete tool for students and professionals. So, if you are one of them, don't forget to try this tool. The link will be in the description box. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating a mind map and diagram with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!